So when you're doing this and you're teaching voice, is there a point where you ever thought when you're coaching someone, teaching someone that the people are too, so they don't want to let you in. They don't want you to see what's happening. Like I can put on a voice that's very strong and very bold. And really what I'm doing is I'm trying to get command confidence, command attention. But really you think that there's no confidence in that. I'm hearing confidence as someone with an untrained ear, but you're hearing something different. Does that happen a lot with you?
All day long, all day long. And it is something that I think this may be the most important question that you've just asked for where we are at this time in our lives, because people are seeking connection. I'm seeing people, I've been shunned from my family, or I've been locked out of my family. I am willing to hire a group, a teacher, a master online to have that connection. This is what the data is showing me right now, but I call it voice masks. And what happens is it's like all of a sudden a bulletproof glass comes down between me and you. And I feel this barrier, and it is, now I have labeled them and identified them, and it is protection. It is, I am protecting you. I'm protecting me from letting you in. And it's just this cluster of sounds. So let's say I have a mask of people pleasing. And so all of a sudden now I don't know what you want me to be, and I don't know what your listeners want me to be. So I'll just neutralize everything. Did you feel the bulletproof glass come down? And now all of a sudden I'm not letting you in because that's scary and dangerous. And it's all going down from our own subconscious.